I think it's extremely important to become a data-driven company. Unfortunately, I think we live in a very data-driven world, and fortunately or unfortunately, however you want to look at it. But I think if you don't become a data-driven company, I just honestly believe you're not going to scale the business. You're not going to be successful. If you're a freelancer or a small company, you might be able to get away with not doing that. But if you're trying to grow and become a larger business, you have to become a data-driven company. And I see a lot of companies that fail at this. So I think there's just 3 basic things that you need to do. The first is understand what the most important KPIs are, so the key metrics about your business. So for us, that's a very simple metric. It's the number of hours, it's what we call utilization, like the number of hours that people are working that we can bill to the customer. If the percentage of the company that's utilized or billable to the customer is very low, then we're not going to send a lot of invoices, we're not going to be able to cover our costs, we're not going to be profitable. And obviously there's a lot of detail around that's more complicated than the basics, but you have to understand your base KPI metrics and what those are that drive the company. So for every company in industry, it's probably going to be a little bit different. And then you got to stop making gut decisions and really start to make decisions on important decisions based on KPIs and data, and kind of get away from this, well, I think this might be good, or these. And obviously there's the occasional kind of like gut decision that you have to make, but overall as a company you should be moving more towards data-driven decisions instead of just your ideas and thoughts that really aren't based on any sort of factual data. And then lastly, have someone in the company that helps drive the data, so that you have someone that's like monitoring, creating dashboards or whatever it may be, so that you can actually analyze the data. And usually that might be some sort of like operations person. It could be a chief operating officer, or in our case, that's our COO. In other cases, it could be someone else in the company.